So I hear the weird noise in a room, and if you're probably wondering where that sound is coming from, it's coming from a room. Yeah, it's literally my mom's room. I'm gonna check. Oh, hey guys. I saw someone running, but when I looked, there's no one behind. I literally just checked, and there's no one literally behind me. When I was trying to check it, I saw the chair move by itself. Okay. There's, there's something. Super quiet. Here, I hear a whisper. Wait, let me go check. What's the sound? My battery is at 100%, so I'm plugging this charger out. I already plugged the charger of my of this laptop from my mom. Wait, I hear something. I hear something. What the fuck? Wait. Hello? Someone? Someone? Hello? Hello? Someone there? What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my god! No, no, no! Ah! Oh shit! What the fuck?